What's good with y'all, man? We're back here with another video, and today I got some really exciting news. I'm putting some new wheels onto the M2, man, and I'm already halfway through the process, but I'm gonna go ahead and just show you guys right now. I forgot to do an intro and forgot to show you guys a before and after, so my fault, but maybe I'll throw in a few clips right now of what it used to look like. And yeah, pretty much I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys what is on there now and what we're working with. So hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure to hit the like button, the sub button. Let me know what you guys want to see down below. And as always, man, thank you guys so much for all the recent support. It means more than you guys can even imagine. I am like so excited to continue making these videos and show you guys what these cars are capable of and what these cars are and what they can do. So without further ado, here's the wheels. All right, we got the car up and everything. I already got the wheel off, but figured I'd update you guys. As you can see, the CSL wheel is already on the front from last night. It's looking nasty, bro. The springs are looking good, crazy. Got it jacked up, and I got my jack stand because I only have one jack. And then, of course, got all this shit down here, man. I got the brake caliper, the chunky back brake caliper, and the spring back there. Clean this, throw it on the M4, because on the M4, of course, I'm taking these off. I'm about to take that one off, and then it's gonna be having the G87 front stock wheels, so it's gonna look so good, man. I can't wait. And obviously I'm excited for the CSL on here. Car looks pretty cool all jacked up like that, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, jack the M4 up, take the wheels off, and we're gonna get this show on the road, man. Sean helping me clean the wheels real quick to put them onto the M4. All right, got both back wheels off, about to throw that one on, and I'm gonna throw that one on. I'm not even gonna bother cleaning that shit because it's clean, but man, oh man, I am excited. As you guys can see though, got the red caliper, blue caliper. These are the wheels that are going on. Yo, stop playing, man. And then I just gotta get some black center caps, bro. That shit would look tough. I'm gonna get both wheels on both sides of the cars so you guys can see what it all looks like and everything. And yeah, I'm excited to see what it's gonna look like. As you can see, I have the camera, which means it's reveal time. I'm about to show you guys the wheels after a long day of working. Here are the wheels, man. That shit looks insane, bro. It actually looks the way that it should. It literally is an M2 CS, man, now that it has the CSL wheels. I just need the tune, and bro, I'm there. I'm not even gonna lie, but yo, shout out to my man, shot by OVO over there. He came over, helped me out. He was flicking up the car all day. I appreciate that. And yeah, this car is really complete, man. It literally looks like an IG whip. Like, I can't get over that. I'm hoping hopefully the IG blow up a little, but that's not why I got the car, man. I got the car to enjoy it, so I'm ready to enjoy this car. Yeah, the wheels were kind of unexpected, as I already explained to you guys, but I couldn't be more happy to have the wheels in general, man. This shit looks insane in front of this car. Because look it's got the red and gold, and then right over here, it's got the red and gold too, man. That shit, or red and bronze. That shit go crazy right there, bro.
I woke up and I say driving the shit for my stomach. I just flex all day. All these blood, they don't want it. Free bed pull up.
All right, yo, real quick, we parked it up underneath. Dusty helped me, bro. He helped me parked up underneath this wing, bro. Look at that shit. That shit is insane. I gotta find some more of these areas with some planes, man, because look at that. That red on bronze goes stupid crazy, bro. I'm super excited for these wheels. James about to stand on top of his whip apparently, and yeah, we're about to see, man. We got some people over there tweaking, if you guys can see, but I don't know, they're wilding. She keeps honking and shit and bugging. But yeah, man, anyway, we're out here, we're about to leave. I finally my day's gonna come to an end, bro. At some point, we're probably not gonna leave yet. We're probably gonna be here for a bit, but I'm gonna stop recording so much and just enjoy the fact that the car's out here. We got my man Jack over there in the tree 5, man. Yeah, there go his lights. He's actually got some really nice 335 lights, I'm not gonna lie. Ant has some different ones, but I'm not gonna lie. I think this is pretty tough. And just look at this fucking view right here. Getting the wheels done, bro, that's insane. And my boy flicked me up. Man, it's a good day. I'm gonna probably get flicked up again. And yeah, hope you guys have been enjoying all this content, man. I'm gonna definitely end the video at the house, and I'm gonna talk a little bit about the wheels and show you guys the M4 wheels. And yeah, man, I'm just really excited. Appreciate you guys. Whoo, 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 he. Nah. Oh my God, I'm actually nutting all over the fucking car right now. I'm just playing, bro. I didn't say that. Damn, he's you shit. Crazy. Look at that view too, bro. Oh my God. I have nothing. Insane. I have nothing. Left fucking dog shit. Live pocket dog shit. Live pocket dog shit, buddy.
Live pocket dog shit, buddy.
Brother.
The next day.
All right, y'all, we are back. It is the next day. I figured I'd get some more content for you guys because why not? And now we're gonna go get some flybys with the new wheels so you guys can see the wheels in action and everything. I'm about to get a lot of fire Instagram content, so make sure you guys go follow the IG. Make sure you guys follow the TikTok, and then also make sure you guys check out all of James, aka Dusty CLS's, all of his stuff down below, bro. His stuff has been going crazy. I'm very happy for him. Him and I are definitely coming up together, man. So it's nice. It's nice to have a friend that is coming up with me, bro. So anyway, we are just cruising, and it's just straight vibing. I'm really not trying to drive crazy or nothing like that. I really just want to enjoy my car and enjoy, you know, the nice creation that I have created. Well, not really me created, but me just creating like me putting my own creative flow on the car. Okay, there we go. That's what I was trying to say. Yeah, I'm just very blessed. I want to thank God, and make sure you guys keep God in your life. If you guys haven't opened up to God in your life, make sure you guys do. He will definitely make everything happen as long as you just pray and you trust in him, man. I promise. I promise. Look at the horses. Straight beautiful out here, man. We're going to this nice little back road. I'm telling you, there's a lot of good spots to get some clips, so you guys just stay tuned. The content about to be crazy, bro. Boy, if you don't get your dusty, crusty mustache, I'm just playing. But nah, man, we're about to be at this little back road, and James about to be like, damn, this shit's actually tough, bro. And I'm gonna be like, I know it, bro. I know it. This is my spot. So, oh, there's a cop behind him, bro. No cap. There's a big cop behind James. Holy shit. Man, James just got fucking harassed by a cop, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. That man was on his fucking cocaina, bro. I don't know why. All right, now we are on this fire little back road. Change it to the sport display. And here we go. That shit is how you know you have some fun roads on the horizon, dog. No cap. No bullshit. That shit is tough. I have to dodge that shit. Pull off right here. This is probably a good little spot for James and I. All right, now anyway, we got out to this nice little back road. You guys have seen this before in the video. I usually come to this back road anytime I'm trying to get some good content. But anyway, we got the big body CLS 550 and Mr. Dusty CLS behind the camera with his new drop, as you guys know. Go check that shit out. That shit is tough. And yeah, we definitely be repping that shit. But anyway, as you guys can see, the M2 is all done up and complete, as you guys saw last video. And yeah, man, now I'm pretty much just gonna put these Pilot 2, or I'm gonna put these Cup 2s to use, put the car to use, man, and enjoy it until I get used to the power and everything. Once I get used to the power, you know, it's gonna be downpipes, tune, all of that, E85, and yeah, we're gonna be straight vibing, man. But now I'm gonna get a nice little montage going to the cars, so hope y'all enjoy that, man. Holy shit. Holy shit. Whips sound crazy, look crazy, bro. Straight good vibes. We got all these cars. I don't know why it's so many people, but it is, bro. All right, man. But anyway, we're dipping from this spot. We're just gonna go hit this nice little parking lot, chill vibe, straight vibing, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm gonna start going as soon as Dusty's ready. I be keeping my car on so much, but it's like we move so damn quick that it's like, why wouldn't we move? Like, I don't know, why wouldn't I just keep my car on, bro? Like real shit. James setting his car up. I'm gonna set mine up, and we're gonna be straight vibing, man. I'm really excited. I'm gonna take some pictures on this guy. And yeah, we're gonna see how that goes. I'm gonna plug in my 360 so that can charge up and I can get some nice little POV, and we're gonna be straight vibing, man. But brought James out to this fire little spot that I be going to, Mr. in love and memory of Mr. James C. Brady. Rest in peace to you, my boy. This stewardship of our countryside, man. Appreciate your stewardship, appreciate your parking lot, bro. And yeah, we're just straight cooling it, man.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. Joe, you're like 3 for 3, 4 for 4 on like golden spots,
bro. I'm telling you, did you see that little road right there? Yeah, that little 1 lane?
Bro, you low-key like on like the 4 Wynn Street, 4 plus Wynn Street on faded spots,
bro. I'm telling you, I got the spots, man. Damn, it smells like actual shit over here. Cause we're near a fucking farm, bro. Like, what is this? Y'all stay tuned for some good content. I'm gonna be uploading like 2 times a week, and I'm definitely gonna hold myself to that. I was talking to my boy about it, and yeah, that's the vibe. That is the vibe. Let's see if we can get him to do a nice little flyby, bro. Let's see, man. Look at that man chirping. You gotta love it, bro. That fucking CLS be screaming. Hey, see ya, buddy. Yo, see ya, buddy.
Que eu vou vender. Abre meu OnlyFans e é foto que eu vou vender. Eu não nasci